Ever wondered if there's a secret limit to how many neon cards you can hold? Let's dive into the neon abyss and find out. Neon cards, the shiny collectibles that have taken the gaming world by storm. They're not just pretty to look at, they can boost your in-game performance, unlock exclusive content, and even trade for real-world value. But, is there a limit to how many of these digital treasures you can hoard? The myth of the neon card limit. Many gamers have speculated about a potential cap on neon card ownership. Some theories suggest that once you reach a certain number, the system might restrict further acquisitions. Others believe that there is no hard limit, but the game's mechanics might become less efficient or rewarding as your collection grows. Debunking the myth. To get to the bottom of this, we've delved into the official game documentation, community forums, and even reached out to the developers themselves. The consensus is clear: there is no definitive, hard limit on the number of neon cards you can own. However, it's important to note that practical limitations might arise. As your collection grows, managing and organizing your cards can become more complex. Storage space on your device could also become a concern, especially for high-resolution cards. The psychology of collection. The allure of collecting is a powerful force. The anticipation of the next rare drop, the thrill of completing a set, and the social status associated with owning exclusive cards can be addictive. But it's essential to approach collecting with a balanced mindset. While there's no strict limit, it's wise to consider the following. Storage space. Ensure you have sufficient storage on your device to accommodate your growing collection. Performance impact. A massive card collection might impact your device's performance, especially during gameplay. Financial considerations. If you're investing real-world money into neon cards, it's crucial to set a budget and stick to it. Time management. Managing a large collection can be time-consuming. Balance your gaming time with other activities. So, the next time you're tempted to hoard another neon card, rest assured that there's no immediate limit to your collection. However, it's essential to approach collecting responsibly and consider the practical implications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.